Why did it take engineers nearly 100 years just to drill a hole in a bolt head? As you can see, the production process is not difficult. All it needs is a special fixture to hold the bolt in place. Then the drill bit cuts down close to one corner of the bolt head, and a small hole is finished. So was it really hard to come up with this method? Of course not. In fact, engineers were able to design this fixture very early. The real problem was where this hole should be drilled. Because the bolt head is not a useless piece of metal. It has to be gripped by a wrench. It has to handle huge torque during tightening. But once part of the bolt head is drilled away, the head may become weaker. If the direction of the hole is wrong, the safety wire may not hold the bolts properly. That is the real trouble. So the corner of the bolt head became the best place. It stays as close as possible to the edge of the bolt head, so it does not affect the bolt strength too much. And there is still extra material on the other side of that corner. Even if the machine vibrates strongly, the safety wire is less likely to split the hole open. More importantly, engineers later realized that the more important part of this hole was removing the burrs. Because once the machine starts vibrating, the safety wire will rub slightly against the edge of the hole. If the hole edge is not cleaned properly, that tiny burr becomes like a small knife. It slowly scrapes the safety wire. In the end, it may not be the bolt that loosens first. It may be the safety wire that breaks first. So the hard part was never drilling through this hole. What engineers spent nearly 100 years perfecting was not the drilling itself. It was building a whole set of rules around this tiny hole.